Hello, my name is Bryn, and welcome to Ysgol Bryn.
Welcome to Reception and Nursery Virtual Tour at Ysgol Bryn. I'm Tabitha Sawyer, head teacher here, and we're a school that really puts an emphasis on creativity, exploration and enjoyment of learning. A real emphasis also on the well-being of the children. We are committed here to nurture healthy, ethical, creative and ambitious learners. And I am proud to say that we have an amazing team here that are innovative and creative in that way. I hope you enjoy the tour and wish to see more. We are in extraordinary times at the moment. If there is anything at all that you need to know, we are here to answer your questions and would be pleased to do so.
Hello, welcome to nursery. This is our classroom. We've made a little video of some of the activities that the children have been doing. I hope you enjoy it.
What's in there, Sam? You make it balance. Have a try then.
Hello, my name is Teresa Edwards and I am the nursery teacher at Ysgol Bryn. I'm sitting in the nursery classroom at the moment and I'd like to read you the last verse of a poem by Anita Wadley called Just Playing. When you ask me what I did in school today and I say, I just played, please don't misunderstand me, for you see, I'm learning as I play. I'm learning to enjoy and be successful in my work. Today I am a child and my work is play. Thank you for listening and take care.
Have you got that one, Amelia? Oh, you have. Good girl. Hey, well done. Good girl, Jade. Good.
Nursery and Reception welcome poem. Welcome to the early years at Ysgol Bryn, a nurturing, safe environment where learning can begin. The staff are here to greet you with a smile upon their face. We aim to foster a love of learning in a bright, inspiring place. The emphasis is on each child and how to help them bloom, with a strong sense of belonging and respect in each classroom. Pen-y-Bryn has learning powers that your child will soon know. Danny the don't give up dolphin and Harry the have a go hippo. Happiness is key here, each success we share with joy, developing inquiring minds in every girl and boy. So join us on our journey, let us help the learning flow in our wonderful department where your child will thrive and grow. We look forward to welcoming you from all of the nursery and reception staff at Ysgol Pen-y-Bryn.